Yes, my people. The voice of Biafra. The person who not hear his voice today, and not begin and I don't come again. And we don't see on a reaction for our last program. Some people with the voice, some they happy. It just not so it's supposed to. We dey thank all of una wey call, thank all of una wey share our message. Thank all of una. Even though na insult us, but at the end of the many of una come to una senses. Even the ones who never come to their senses, we know so Chukwu Abiyama go give una brain, give una wisdom, make una know, open una mind so that una go know. And today, wetin we wan talk today na about endorsement. As some pro-Biafran groups, they endorse politicians. Because few days as Atiku P2B as running mate, e no even reach 3 days, many Biafran groups, they don't begin to pick people. This one don't go for Atiku, this one, even the ones when they support Buhari, those ones, they do them strategically. So we have group of Biafra where they support Atiku, we have another group of Biafra where they support Buhari. Newspaper just there, wash with the group. We have Masop. Which in the lead, we say don't endorse Atiku. We get a hyper customary government. Some people among them say they don't endorse Atiku. You get the mobbing, you know, say they don't endorse Atiku. You get the IPOB project team. The IPOB project, the people will send the document to the British government, and at the end of the day, in fact, over many years, the thing was rejected. Finally, in principle, British government can't accept the one where they submit. That one where say Biafra can stay with the independent within Nigeria for certain number of years and all those ones. Now then they call IPOB project in within the name themselves. Say they endorse Atiku. The other group, Igbo, and many Igbo group, Igbo youth this, Igbo youth that say they don't endorse Atiku. When we, for Voice of Biafra, see those things, it pain us. It pain us well, even though we try call many of them, but the thing where they talk no even make sense. Many of them they talk things where no make sense. Say, and Atiku they talk about restructuring. Atiku say you go for one term. Say now why the structure is there in line with within many of them they talk. See if you restructure Nigeria now, Eastern region go there semi-independent like Scotland and the flag like that. Now within many of them they think pen me, it pen us for Voice of Biafra. We say we go do this program. So that people no go think say Voice of Biafra follow for those when they endorse anybody. No. We know they for those that kind yama thing. Because as Atiku pick P2B, wait you go ask all those people where they endorse. Whether they know what be political statement, whether they understand what be promise for politics. If Atiku they promise anything, that thing they go write them for paper. They go court, Atiku go court, swell affidavit. This one no be all the yama things we don't hear. Buhari no be Buhari promising at one time and go. Buhari don't go one time. Buhari no go one time. No be in the start go second time now, say he won't go again. Maybe if in the second time, if he even want to change constitution, nobody know his own plan. Power where they sweet anyhow, somebody just open my saying at one time, you just believe. Even for village meeting, people know they want leave power. For school, say where they go, monitor, you no one leave them. School prefect, you no one leave them. People, you need law to make people leave power, push them out. So now what Atiku declare, instead, where these our groups go take their time. If they want choose anybody where they go support, the way you go start the negotiation now from life of our people lost. Atiku, where you say it they support, waiting until you see go do about hundreds of people that have been killed. by Buhari's regime in the name of Python dance. Atiku say he go set up commission of inquiry, make the investigation happen. He don't say all the veritable culprits. They say they go prosecute and make sure say they jail those who commit crimes. He talk that one, they write and might do all those ones. He don't say go compensate families of the people where they kill. Now here you go start first. Because now people will care about life. You see, in this struggle, we must care about life. We must place big premium to lives of our people. Say you're going to kill somebody and we begin to talk about restructuring, they talk about those things don't make sense. What are you doing about lives of young men and women lost? Somebody from my town, now for Port Harcourt, they even kill him. George. Him died for hospital. What thing Atiku go do about these people? That the politician who on the endorse. How would you go into as they announce somebody 3 days, 4 days, you don't begin choose them. Waiting on the rush. Waiting on the rush to choose Atiku. Atiku don't write in social contract, they don't put them for paper like I talked before. They go court to write. Anything where anybody they give you Atiku, they do. If you no go court, get affidavit, that thing no get meaning. Forget what they talk for podium. I go do this, I go water you, I go fire you, electricity go there everywhere, and water go there. No be today we don't hear that kind of thing.
Not today.
No be today. We don't hear and tell the right from when I dey small, I don't hear them. The promises we suppose don't pass that level. Make we know they make this our agitation they cheap. They like small picking things. For us here, na big disgrace. Say any group we use Biafran name, go they endorse Atiku. Without any, you no get anything tangible, just endorse. I don't want to accuse anybody say they give money or anything. No. But before they use Biafra, you can form any group. Form group support Atiku. Form group support Buhari. Form any group support anybody who you want. But that name Biafra, before they put up, there should be wide consultation. There should be town hall meetings. You go get town hall meetings from different communities. Here the people apply. People will tell you, say, look at what thing we they plan to do. See reason why we won't do them. You hear from them, convince them. If they tell you say no, they don't like that. They say we like this or that candidate. Make we invite them. That candidate come. We invite them. They saying go do this. We say put them for writing, do affidavit. I know they for people who say boycott election, sit at home, eat offense, after offense, begin to complain again. That one na small picking talk. You understand? That one no get meaning. Because you go pay tax. Anybody where every month government they come on tax from your salary. Every day, like Okada people, if they pay tax. Okada people they pay tax, they pay government money every day. Bus drivers they pay government money every day. Taxi drivers they pay government money every day. Even people where they trade for market, they pay all manner of tax to government. Then election day, you know go choose somebody where go use that your tax to do something. You go sit at home. After election, come begin to pay tax. That one na mumu stick. That is waiting they call it berberism. That one no make sense. So we want advice. These people will say, then they endorse people. Make you know they use Biafran name they play. Consult widely. Know the underrate people. That is the difference between African leaders and Western leaders. African leaders have this strongman mentality. Waiting don't destroy Africa. Strongman mentality. In Biafran struggle, we need strong institutions. No be strong man. We no need strong man for Biafra, otherwise it will be useless. Look at what happened for South Sudan. People wait fight for 20-something years. Look at that foolish boy, the son of the chief of staff of South Sudan. This boy, his shoes, na $10,000 shoes wey they wear for leg. The boy, na dollars they full his house. These are people who are suffering. The people they die of hunger as we speak for South Sudan. Now we have this kind of characters taking over South Sudan. From one criminals in Sudan, they do under Sudan, to another group of criminals when they die for South Sudan. Not be waiting one for Biafra. We don't need such nonsense. We want people who be say, if you be leader, do nonsense, we sack you. Come on you, make you go sit down. We know how many people will go sit down. Because if you get this Biafra with that kind of people, with that kind of strongman mentality, now dictatorship, corruption, lack of transparency. Every year, go and check how many people how many journalists they kill for South Sudan. Just the way they say they fight for independence. We don't need such madness here. We don't need such nonsense. Then another group of people, they support Buhari in the name of Biafra. But them, they're very intelligent. Their leaders, they're intelligent. They think all of us for Biafra, they're stupid. Then they support Buhari, but then they call third their member support Buhari. Because they know, say, you cannot sell Buhari to the Biafran people. But the only way they go sell Buhari to Biafran people is to tell our people to boycott the election. Because what Buhari need for our land, not just 25% vote. Buhari knows he no go ever win an election for our land. So he knows say if enough people boycott the election, his own members, at least APC members, will fit give him that 25% where he need. It's not just in our land that are doing this thing. They want to make sure that all the Igbo people within Nigeria no go one vote. But they tell you, we want to boycott the election. Our members no go vote. No. If you go to Ladipo, Lagos, their members are campaigning for election boycott in Ladipo, Lagos. Their members are campaigning for election boycott in Isolo. Their members are campaigning for election boycott in Idumota, in Alaba, and all these places in Biafra. Even far away Abuja, where Igbo people are dominated, their members are also campaigning for election boycott and referendum in Abuja.
And police know who these people will say they be proscribed.
You know? And the one way you go watch, if you see their video, police know they arrest them. Meanwhile, they say they are proscribed. But they walk freely with Biafran flag. They campaign for Igbo people who live for Idumota, Ladipo, and all those places. Make them not come out vote. And you think we are foolish. We know that this is Buhari's camp, this is Buhari's plan, APC plan. They want to make sure, let me tell you, you get areas, House of Rep, House of Assembly for Lagos, where Igbo people they represent them for Abuja, National Assembly, and the state houses. This particular group, where our brother, the lead, Nnamdi Kanu, will come out, they campaign for boycott. We know where they follow, we follow, no go understand what thing they happen. We here know. We know what thing they happen. And now why will they use this avenue? They tell you, say, this boycott is an APC project. Because you know they campaign for boycott and the referendum for Lagos and Abuja. Even for that statement, where can release for Sunday, he used tricks, what you might call it political sagacity, to push that narrative of boycotting election to Middle Belt. For that speech, he tell Middle Belt people to come and join IPOB. Indirectly telling them, boycott election. These are areas that Buhari will lose election. Southeast, South-South, Middle Belt. These are command areas Buhari will lose election. And this guy said, come and join IPOB. Boycott election. Boycotting the election in Ladipo and all those Igbo-dominated areas in Lagos, how would it help our struggle at home? How it go help us? So we won't use this place, avenue. We no hurt anybody. We no hurt anybody. We no hate any group, but we won't open our people eyes. We won't open our people eyes. E get other things where we no fit talk. Things go happen. Now gradual things go begin to unfold. Because here, everything when we predict, we not tell on say before election, the same people go come out again, begin to make everybody boycott. Go watch our old programs. Everything when we predict don't they happen. Now we really buy everybody boycott the election. See that home. Everybody boycott the election. Boycott the election. Boycott the election. So after boycotting the election, Buhari win. What do you don't get? You know, you don't like Ikpeazu. Of course, me too know see Ikpeazu is a complete failure in Abia State. Ojozo, Theodoji, Ikpeazu, all of them don't fail Abia State. Why can't we galvanize people to replace this man with a new candidate, a new person? So everybody sit at home. If you sit at home, Ikpeazu will still win. That means you don't have a strategy. You don't have a strategy. So make we begin to tell ourselves the truth, to tell our people the truth. You see, in this country where we did, you get one political party where they call DUP, Democratic Unionist Party. This party, they get about only 10 members for House of Parliament. House of Parliament get 650 members. This party with 10 members, now then they hold the government, the British Parliament as we speak. If they withdraw their support from the ruling party, the government don't collapse. They will call for new election. What did these people do? When election, as they do election finish, there is a main party conservative, no win election, no win clear majority. Then they look for people where they go use. Green Party, all these people know I agree. The Labour and a group of people from Libra, they plan say if they didn't know succeed, them go form government. These people, DUP, hold their own tight. Then they beg them to come and forth, they refuse. You know what thing they do? They seize the opportunity. We must learn how to seize opportunity. It gets the adage where we they say for Igbo land. Onye na-anata dike mma oge ọ nọ n'ala, owo biliri ọtọ ka ị ga-anata ya mma. Now these politicians are contesting election. This is the time that pro-Biafrans will give them conditions waiting they want. Put them for writing, swear affidavit. Not be just writing, no. Put them for writing, swear affidavit. This UDP, whole government, you know what they say? You have to give us upfront of 1 billion for our people. Tizami say no. He said, if you don't want, like, leave it, forget them. These people for Northern Ireland, they say they no get fast broadband. They say they get less number of doctors and nurses. They say some of their roads don't get pothole, all those kind of things. They seize this opportunity, get 1 billion upfront for super fast broadband, to train more medical staffs, to repair their road, and other things. 1 billion of pounds upfront. Then they supported the government. Now then the whole government for broadcast. Government won't pull out of EU. So that there will be border in between Northern Ireland and Ireland. They tell the government, if you try them, we don't come out, we don't withdraw. And if we withdraw, government they shake. 10 people in the house. Now so people will get sense they do. People will get sense, now so then they do. Now, we fight for Biafra. And we are in Nigeria. We must use our position to bring people to sign and say, we tell them, see what thing we want. We can we feel forget to endorse anybody until 2 weeks the election, 3 weeks the election. Then go they look for us. But when you don't carry your support, give away. What did they negotiate for now? Why then go come for you? If you say we don't get sense. That is why I don't like people that don't consult people. Who think say they do know. Yeah? If you no get matched from a strong man when he did for land for grant, now when he stand up, he will come out matched from his hand. We use this opportunity because Buhari, Atiku, all of them, they're desperate. Very desperate. In politics, there is no permanent friend, permanent enemy. whether in international politics, local politics, everything that any candidate is going to promise the people of Biafra must benefit the people of Biafra, and it must be put in writing. Like what I told you about DUB. They no go there, they look for ministers. They no need minister. I know say this on Hannes and Igbo them now, where they endorse article, where they do the even Igbo group where they endorse Buhari. Na minister then they look for. Na appointment then they look for. But these people in Ireland, they think about their people. Now their people they enjoy with their super broadband. They now things they improve. Their hospital, everything don't improve. I beg. Make we know ever. Just few days ago, George Oponwe, the president of Liberia, announced free education for tertiary institutions. If you are not part of the radical change, say you must bring somebody new to take over the mantle, because as we did, if pro-Biafrans sabi something as they claim, especially the pro-Biafran leaders, imagine if pro-Biafran leaders take over Abia, Imo, Ebonyi, Anambra, Enugu. Let's even start with this 5. And pro-Biafra say, from today, if you want to go to university, state university within Biafra land is free education. State polytechnics, free education. My brothers and sisters, people go die for this Biafra. People go say, now so this Biafra go there, we go die for. Imagine they begin to say, if you want to study medicine and surgery for federal university anywhere, for nursing, we will pay your school fees. We will give you bursary. If Biafra go start building, begin to build trained doctors, begin to build hospitals, health centers within Nigeria, my brother, next election, now people go come, if people from other states, Rivers, because all of them go say this Biafra now we go die and put am. But no be sit at home after election you begin to complain. Rogers Ibulanyo, oh Rogers want to replace put his in-law. So if you sit at home, then Rogers will succeed. That means you want Rogers to succeed. That means you want Buhari to continue. See the killing where they happen. Adama where didn't they kill? Brony didn't they kill? Lamfra didn't they kill? Benue didn't they kill? Everywhere na killing. My brother, we must commiserate and show solidarity with people that are killing. You get one man, Martin, I can't remember his full name, we talk that important quotation. They came for the communists. I said, I'm not a communist. They concerned the communists. I didn't speak. After the communists, they went for the unionists, the trade unionists. The man said, "What? I'm not a trade unionist. You know, consign me." That was the Nazi Hitler he was referring to. Then they went for the Jews. The man said, "What? I'm not a Jew. You know, consign me." Then when they came for him, there was no left to speak. If we keep quiet and they're killing people, Buhari win second term. When they enter our land, no opposition again, because the Shia Muslims, they don't crush those people, almost crush those people. Ethna killing they happen. If you think say this killing, Buhari, direct or indirect, you know they support them, you don't know what you are talking about. If people they kill people every day, they slaughter people, herdsmen they slaughter people every day. Buhari no one change chief of army staff, inspector general of police, and all these security personnel. That means that he is total support. My brothers and sisters, we have tried for this project, and another thing I will conclude is to tell those who are supporting people pro-Biafran, if you want to support anybody, I beg consult widely, because some of the elders where I call said nobody consult them. Even the IPOB project team, 90% of them when I speak to say they were not consulted. I want to beg pro-Biafran leaders, please consult before you make decision. There must be town hall meetings. I beg. Now here we go stop. People where they fight us, make una take am easy. Waiting with they fight for now for our own betterment. Now some of us get conscience. They get people who no get conscience. They day for Europe, they no send for on away day home. some of us are interested in your lives. We want make all of us. We want us. Look, me, some of us, me, my family, we go come back home. E get people wey don come in Europe, America say they no go back again. Me, I go back. So we want a better land for ourselves. So now here we go stop. Take good care of you. Make sure, I beg, try share this message so it will reach everybody. No too verse, no too provoke for us. I beg. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.
Ebeka unusi Biafra. Ebeka unusi Biafra. Gama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabibi. Agama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabibi. Biafra gade.